There it is. It's an Australian bilby. That is one of the coolest things I've seen. Owen's right behind me. He's letting all this go on because I got up and